What's going on, guys? Today we are installing a new shift knob today by Skunk 2. There it is, Skunk 2. And this weighs a lot heavier than this shift knob right here. This weighs about 180 grams and this weighs about 450, 470 grams. So it's definitely gonna be heavier and the shifting is gonna be a lot smoother. So all you're gonna need is a 14 mil, and then literally all you do, pop that off. Right here there is a nut, and you literally just fit it right under there, like so. There you go. Now we just put the new shift knob on. All you gotta do is pop this back in. That clicks, and there you go. Let's try it out. Wow. Yeah, it feels like it goes in a gear a lot smoother. Since it has this is a weighted shift knob, so it goes in the gear a lot easier. Yeah, I can definitely feel the difference. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.